Hi, welcome to another video from Technary.com, and today we are doing the Realme X3 Overview. So this phone is yet to launch and we have the specifications and features and also price. So a new smartphone will get launched by Realme. This is the Realme X3 smartphone. The smartphone is yet to be launched and we have a lot of details to be talked about. So let's check out the features and specifications of the smartphone in this overview. This phone is having a Full HD Plus display of 6.57 inches. Phone is having 120Hz smooth display. The phone has graphics 400 ppi. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core processor. It is powered by Adreno 640 GPU. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. Phone has 4 AI rear cameras. It comes with 64MP AI primary camera, 12MP telecamera, 8MP wide angle and 2MP micro camera. It has dual front cameras. There are of 16 megapixels and 8 megapixels. As per the company, phone is able to record shake-free videos. It is having UIS and UIS Max Ultra Image Stabilization. It comes with liquid cooling system. The phone uses 7nm FinFET technology and clocks up to 2.96 GHz for providing powerful performance. The phone comes with unique Starry mode feature. This uses AI algorithm helpful to capture ultra-long exposure and uses multi-frame synthesis engine. This helps to get improved sharpness and color of the starlight sky captured by you. This is a dual SIM smartphone. With this handset, you get adapter, case, screen protector film, SIM card tool, quick guide booklet with warranty card. This phone is having 0.3 second fast unlock and comes with a side fingerprint sensor. Phone uses Realme UI, which is based on Android 10. It uses UFS 3.0 for boosting ROM. The camera comes with 12x hybrid zoom. Screen resolution is 2400 by 1080 pixels. Phone has 90.5% screen to body ratio. The phone has rear flash. Video calling can be done in 4K at 60 FPS as well. This is a 4G smartphone and comes with Bluetooth version v5.0. It has Type-C connectivity. It comes with magnetic induction sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyrometer, acceleration sensor and fingerprint sensor. So the weight of the smartphone is 202 grams. The phone has 1 year warranty. The phone is powered by 4200 mAh battery. The phone comes with 30 watt dart charge. It has liquid cooling 3.2. The phone will be available in Arctic White and Glacier Blue color variants. Price of the smartphone is INR 24,999. The phone is yet to be launched. Stay tuned on a Twitter feed to let you know when the phone will be launched. Have a great day. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and also like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.